Juglani here and welcome to the channel Kaizen. Today I'll be talking about the third human endowment, soul. To live an happy and complete and content life, one must nourish their soul. But first I'll be talking about the thing that's holding most of us back from living a happy and content life, that is fear. Our minds are programmed such that we do not engage in any self-threatening situations, and whenever a person tries to do something out of their comfort zone, the brain signals the body and it shows all the negative outcomes of the certain act, and in order to preserve oneself, the person stops acting in that direction. This stream of negative consciousness is called fear. It's a conditioned response to an unordinary situation. So how fear affects you? Fear takes up, it consumes all your energy, confidence and spirit if you're not careful. It destroys your confidence and will to do and learn new things. It limits you in every aspect of life. So how to beat fear, how to overcome fear? It's simple. Do the things that you wanted to do and do the things that you fear. When you start doing the things that you fear, you start nourishing your spirit, you start building up confidence and courage, and you start living with limitless enthusiasm and energy. It's simple. Just be the person that you dream of being and do the things that you wanted to do, but you trick yourself into believing that you're either too rich, too young, too poor, too old to do so. You are just one choice away from a completely different situation. All the best things of life are beyond that comfort zone and fear. So get out of your comfort zone and do the things that you fear. Consider the example of a baby. Let's study a baby. It has no limits, it has no sense of what's positive or what's negative. It's a blank canvas. Properly cultivated, it will lead to greatness. But filled with negativity, it will lead to a life of mediocrity. A baby can be trained to view a sunny day as a depressing day and a cute puppy as a vicious animal. So the gist is that you become what you think and what you believe in. So if you believe that you have the courage to beat your fears, you will without a doubt beat them to pulp. So to live a courageous life, you need to believe that you have courage. You are the most courageous person on this face of earth. And then step up, go out, meet new people, see new places, do new things, learn new things, and invest in yourself to become the best version of yourself. Start by doing something small today. Start by doing something out of your comfort zone today itself. Remember, the courage allows you to run your own race. It allows you to do whatever you want to do because you know it's right. It gives you self-control and you persist where others have failed. Ultimately, the degree of courage you live with determines the amount of fulfillment you get in life. So, it allows you to truly realize the wonders of the epic that your life is. So live with courage, unbridled courage. Once you master your mind, body and soul completely, fulfillment and abundance will flow into your life almost magically. So live with courage, overcome your fears, go out and live life on your terms. This is Kshitij Juglani. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. This is my design.